The 2010 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, backup camera, moonroof. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.